And so, on something very interesting, it seems a significant number of people came out to voice their concerns about the recent fill-up in a story put together by SA Hip Hop blog on Instagram. Fans pointed out that the sound was like really terrible to such an extent that Musa Keys, according to their tweets and video, walked out of stage.
We're here to have a good time. I don't know who's doing sound, but please do sound at the back.
Some said no crowd control, entrance was cock, we got tear-gassed, couldn't get access to the golden circle and ended up having to sit on the stands.
Fill up the Mmabatho, very disappointing. No, it's almost like they only filled up half of the field, not the stadium. Nah.
And some other people in the VIP said that the service was terrible as there was no ice, champagnes were hot, and it took an hour to get glasses. Some fans pointed out that it may be because he had hired interns trying to uplift the youth, which may have led to some of the problems with coordination. But overall, it seems there were very nice performances. A couple of videos came out and not everything was bad actually. But you guys tell us what you think about it. Comment down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.